Originating from the rugged, mountainous regions of the Atlas Mountains in North Africa, the Barbary leopard was well adapted to diverse terrains ranging from dense Mediterranean. Its front paws were relatively large, about 10 to 12 centimeters wide, providing a stable base for navigating uneven terrain. The Barbary leopard weighed between 60 and 90 kilograms, with a skull measuring about 70 centimeters. Its bite force is estimated at approximately 300 psi, around 2,070 newtons, enabling efficient prey capture. These metrics underscore its predatory adaptation,